Hey guys, it's your boy Peter. It's another one. So on this video, guys, I just want to show you how to use Men of Wealth in a proper way. I've done the setup. We've watched the previous videos. Yes, now it's about time we show you how to set it up on your charts. And all financial markets, man, it doesn't matter if you're trading a currency or commodity or cryptocurrency or index or synthetics. So now I just want to show you how to properly set it up and start profiting from it automatically. So before anything, man, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share it to anyone who might be interested, man, in automated trading. Profitable automated trading. So here we go, man. Okay guys, before we begin, man, I'd like to put up all my charts. You can see I already have Men of Wealth running right now. I just opened, before this market closed, just opened some few trades on gold. Right now, there's no market running whatsoever. So even here on the market watch, nothing man is going on. So okay, Bitcoin is on because you know it's always on. So I'm just gonna open Bitcoin, open Nasdaq, open gold. Again, I know I already have gold, but just want to show you, I wanted to represent the commodities on how to set it up. So another thing, Men of Wealth runs on 1 hour time frame. Please have that in your heart. If you're a system user, know it at all times that this board, man, runs on 1 hour time frame. Can never compromise on that. Higher time frames, man, are most accurate. There isn't any surprises up there. You understand? Like, it's not like the noise that you got on a lower time frame, like 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. It can be good, but for other strategies, but for the one that this system uses, is so robust in a way that we've decided, you know what, let's just stick to one time frame. So here we go, guys. I've opened Bitcoin. What I like to do is just have my chart the way I would like to want it. That's up to you as well. And just all of them, man, just have them on candlestick patterns. Remove the grid as well, and that's it. That's how I prefer it. And just remove these candlesticks and just make them look good. And yeah, we're almost done, and there we go. So first of all, I've set up everything, and I just have to make sure that automated trading is on. So before I show you how to attach the board to the chart, I want you to check this out. This tool is an amazing tool. On tools, go to options under expected advisors. Make sure if you'd like any of these, options here to disable automated trading when the account has been changed. You can tick that if you like it. I don't like it. I'm all full-time automated. Disable automated trading when the profile has been changed, or you log into another account or profile or whatever it is, or disable automated trading when you change a symbol or a period. That's like time frame or moving into another market. No, man, I don't want that. I want to run on an autopilot like that. So here we go. Just gonna go ahead and attach Men of Wealth on Bitcoin. And another thing, guys, make sure that the input settings that you have, let's start with about. Make sure on about created with Forex Villa, you get that link over there. That's important, man. And visit it from time to time, man. And make sure the name of the board that you actually attaching to this chart is the one that you want. So that's fine. And make sure that this box over here is ticked. I'm going to show you what happens if that board is not ticked on the next currency, which is Nasdaq. On the next symbol, which is Nasdaq. So first of all, my SL for Bitcoin, I know it should be 50,000. So I'm going to put ahead 50,000 over there. And then my TP should be 100,000. And then my trailing point is 10,000. All this information is right there on the guide. And then my trailing step is 1,000. And then it's set to trail above 30,000. And then my magic number, I don't mess up with my magic number, guys. Once this magic number is changed, the bot would know the maximum number of position you should. It would know it will be 20, but if you go ahead and attach it on another currency pair and change the magic number, it will be as if you're using two automated system or two robots. Like in that way it will confuse, or I don't know what would happen actually. Like it would just go crazy on you, or it would actually take 40 position if you set 20 on this one and on 20 on the other one. So it can go hectic, it can work for you or against you very quickly. And my trading size, I'm just gonna go ahead and put 3 on there, and then my slippage, my maximum. As maximum slippage, you don't change that. Here you can change your lot size over here. The trade size, I'd like to put in 5, and then my maximum stop loss. Remember at first we put in it was 50,000, and then your minimum stop loss should be 30,000, and then my maximum TP against 100,000. And then my minimum TP should be 50,000 again, and then or 60,000. I actually prefer 60,000 just to keep that ratio of 2:1 running all the way. And my maximum open of trades should be 10, 5 for buy position, 5 for sell positions. Maximum pending orders is 10, 5 for long position, and 5 for short position. And this is another feature that I like and advise people to keep it on all the time. And when you do hedge trading, if the market moves for you or against you, you should be able, if you have a good bob, should be able to buy and sell simultaneously if it's a good bob. That's my opinion. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave that and just switch it on, and there you go. You have your men of wealth set up. This is smiley face over there, everything is fine. So now moving on this one, remember I told you I'm going to show you if you attach the bot with automated trading of what you can do. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach men of wealth, just check those things if they're okay, they're still okay. And here's what I want to show you. Live trading is disabled on this icon, and if it's disabled like that, since you're setting up while it's on, you'll have to take it on. I'll also show you what happens if you don't take on, so you know how to resolve it if that happens for you. So your input settings, I think the market just opened now. I see gold is moving up now. So this one, your SL points for Nasdaq is 10,000, and then this 15,000, and then we've got your trailing points. Your trailing points is 1,000, and then trailing stops 100, and trail above 3,000. And then again, the magic number you don't change. You can change things like your lot sizes, which I'll put in for 1, and then my maximum SL is 10,000, and then my minimum one should be 7,000, and my maximum 15,000, and then my minimum one, again I'd like to keep 7,000 there, and then open number of trades and so on, and the hinging option I've already explained to you. So here we go, we'll turn it on, attach it to the chart Nasdaq, but your bot is not smiling for you, man. So here's how you resolve that. If it's not smiling for you, just go ahead and tick automated trading, and you see there's a smiley face. That's because you've selected this part over here in the code. You've selected that part over there. So if you want to disable auto trading like that, you can also disable from here. Even though auto trading is on that side here, it won't be on. And if you want to turn it back on, you don't have to. If you turn this one on and off, it won't work. You'll have to come into properties and turn it on, just like that. And now I'm going to set up for gold. Just right click and attach to gold, input settings. For gold, you already know the input settings: 500, 1,000. All this on your guide, guys. And then your trailing points 100,000, trailing stop 10, trail above 300. And then again, the issue of your magic number. Your magic number is something that doesn't change. So as I was saying, your magic number, man, should not be changed at all times. What you can change is your trading size, like your lot size. So this is gold, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put 2.5 for gold. And this also depends on your account size, guys. My account is big, so again your maximum stop loss is 500, and your minimum is 300, and my maximum TP is 1000. And then here I can choose minimum of 600, and then the rest you already know. I've already explained that to you. So then you just press OK, and there we go. Look at the smiley face and everything over there. So again, I just want to show it to you with automated trading off. As you can see, the board is not really taking any trade other than the gold and everything that's already been open over there. That's because it's still interacting with the market price as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and attach into the currency. This one stays the same. So the board comes configured to work on your currencies, guys, so that you don't have to change anything. That's why I would advise you to trade currencies more than anything, because the input settings are pretty straightforward over there. And once you press on over there, it just goes and work for you. And just give it a little bit more time and let it run and see. So before you let it run, as you can notice, NZD, but it has a smiley face. How do you resolve that? That's because like you've attached your robot while automated trading was off. Simply go to common and right click this and just press OK. And there you go, you have a smiley face again, and you're ready to run and roll. And there you go, still interacting with the market price. So now I've showed you how the market works for currency pair, for commodity pair via gold, and then your indexes via Nasdaq, your cryptocurrencies via Bitcoin, and those are the 4 major financial markets. And those of you who like binary options and everything like that, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you on binary option how it works. So again, your input settings for binary options, you will have them on your guide, man. So what I like to do, you see these input settings over here, how many number of position I want the bot to do for me and everything like that. So you need to make sure if you're doing strategy test and everything like that. So this is VIX75. Let me just open another one. So this is VIX75. I just want to show you how the bot performs on VIX75. And you just go ahead and press start, and just wait. It's just simply loading. And then I would like to remove the chart over there. So the board is working on VIX75. We're just on a strategy test on a simulation, because I'd like you guys to see how it actually performs. So you don't need many trades or the whole day to run it. Just simply enough for it to be profitable. So just like you can see, it's still interacting with the market, scanning it, just trying to find those high probability trades. And once it opens up, you'll see what the system can do. Just give it a little bit more time. Just to emphasize, you can plug it on a board. It can take plus or minus 2 hours for it to start trading for you. That's because of the way it has been programmed. It doesn't just take trades just like that, because like it feels like it. Most of the board who works like that, they can actually blow your account. So it waits for those opportune moments, those high probability trading setups, those areas of value on your market structure. So that's what it's actually waiting for. And a lot of people who talk about boards, they don't know anything about market structures, area of values, factors. You see, as it opens the trades, and trails that trade. I'm sure you've noticed that. So far, it opened one trade and made about 24 USD. So let's wait for another one. I'm sensing another trade, 2 trades that are currently running right now, and they are running in 55 USD. Remember, we started with 100 USD. So here we go. We're going on a positive direction. This is, remember, this is a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I think this is 15-minute time frame, because on the referral recommend 15-minute time frame for this one. So in less than 30 minutes, it gave 74 USD. So let's just wait again. Let's see what the system can do. So it opens in 12. As you can see, they're closing via a trailing stop loss. So it opens in 12. This is VIX 75. Preferable, let's look at the graph. You can see we started with around 100 USD, and now we're in 75 USD. Same day, still on the 15th. You see, in less than a day, it's doing such things. So let's just wait. Let's just look at another one. It opens another position, which is a buy position, and it's still scanning the charts. So this is a bonus for you guys. I really don't want to make this video long or anything like that. I just want to show that when I say it can double your account in less than 24 hours, I really mean it. You can see that it places, let me show you, it places a TP and SL at the same time. I didn't emphasize that. A TP and SL at the same time. You see the SL, the TP, and watch what happens when I click play. Just watch that. It can also trail as well, and this doesn't do it for VIX, it does it for all financial markets out there. Whether you're trading crypto, gold, whatever it is, you can see that at the minute it goes into profit, it start trailing. There's a trail above option that you need to select. It doesn't just start trailing once you go into profit. It needs specifics. It simply needs specifics. As you can see, it's trailing guys. You can see it's going with the market, and there you go. We've made about 300 and something in less than a day. Let's just check. Look at that. Initial deposit was, we've made 381 profit so far. You just look, there it is, 341 profit so far. No, 281. So it says. But then on this side it's a different story. Okay. So it was the equity that went higher and higher. That's why I'm talking about 400 and something. But let's continue. Let's continue. Let's have a look. And let's also check on the other side if it hasn't opened any trade yet. So unfortunately nothing, so you would have to wait up until it opens the positions. So another thing that I want to show you is, the system as it works. It's a perfect system. I couldn't build another one that's better than this one, but nothing is 100% guaranteed, guys. You might suffer losses, but as you can see, you get more profit than there are losses, and there's tools, system capabilities, tools that can prevent you from blowing your account. And as it goes, I'm just gonna go ahead and speed it up just a bit because we don't have the whole day. Like it's not even speeding up. But anyway, guys, if you need to watch the full video, just holler at me. I'll upload it on the YouTube. This one is just for informational purposes only, man. Other than that, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. It's still opening position. Look at that. Look at that. 300 and something profits, now 1400. Look at that. This is amazing, man. This is system power that nobody tells you about. Look at that. It's still going. It can go all the way. Remember, it started with 100 USD and it's still on the same day. Look at that. This thing is a beast, man. This thing is a beast. It's on a beast mode right now. And look at that. I just hope it hit SL. Just one trade that's gonna hit the SL. Just for the sake of the video, man. Just want to show you what it can do. There you go. It hits SL, and let's evaluate that knowledge. Let's evaluate that. There you go. There is the losses. So hence I tell you, nothing is 100 guarantee, but you never get anything better than this out there in the market. That can interact with the market like this, never, man. I can guarantee you. The limbo guys, you can call one for me. I'm happy to help them out too. Thank you guys. Appreciate you.